Good day, folks. Today we're going to take a look at some retractable landing gear for the Mavic 2 Pro. And we've got a set here by PolarPro, and we've got a set here by CamKix. So we're going to compare them and see which is the better buy. Now, before we start the video, I just want to state that I'm not affiliated with PolarPro or CamKix, so I don't have any preference for either one. I purchased both these kits with my own money, so my review is going to be based on how I think they work and what I like the best. So basically what these are retractable landing gear. And basically they raise your drone up so when you're taking off from stuff like gravel or grass, it gets the propellers and the camera and the gimbal out of all that debris. Now the problem with a lot of landing gear is that you have to take it off before you can fold the Mavic Pro back up. And it's a little inconvenient. Every time you want to go fly, you got to install the landing gear and then take it off, fold the drone up. With these ones, they retract and you can fold the drone up while they remain installed, so you never have to take them off. So I think we'll start with the CamKix one. The nice thing about the CamKix one is that it does have this kind of zippered case, and that way if you don't have them installed, keeps them all together in your camera bag. They're not floating around in little compartments and they may get lost. So that's kind of nice that they do include that. The PolarPro ones, once you take them out of the box, there's no little case for them or anything. We will get started with the CamKix ones. And you get a cleaning cloth with it, which is always nice. You can never have too many of them. I tend to lose them all the time somehow. And here they are here. And yeah, you can see here how the landing gear folds up and down. But what I am noticing is that there's no installation instructions. So that's kind of interesting that they did not include any kind of diagram. Now I do notice that one says A and B, but I really don't know what that really means. So let's set that aside and we'll open up the PolarPro ones. So in the PolarPro one, we have a little package here. We have some stickers, information about warranty, different lenses and different things, and we actually have some instructions, so that's a nice bonus. So we've got both sets here now, and just from initial inspection, definitely the PolarPro ones do feel like a more premium product. They have that kind of rubberized coating on them that a lot of the PolarPro gear has, and it's just a nice quality product. Just feels nice. The CamKix ones feel like just cheap plastic, and doesn't mean they're not going to work well, but you can just tell that the quality of the material used is quite different. Now I should mention there is a big price difference. The PolarPro ones come in at $29 and the CamKix ones come in at $13. So, you know, the PolarPro ones are double the price. So let's install them and we will see how they work. Like I said, there's no instructions with the CamKix ones, but I'm assuming these go on the front. That's the only way they'll fit on. So they just pop on, and it's just friction that holds them on. But they're on there secure enough. I'm not worried that those will fall off at all. Now for the back ones, figure out which side goes where. So there we go. And they just fold down, as you can see there. When you're not using them, they can fold up just like that. It does raise it up quite a bit. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks to be about 3/4 of an inch. But what I'm noticing is that the natural angle of the drone is a little off when they're installed. When you have it sitting, the back end's down a little bit, the front end's up. But when that landing gear's on, it's completely flat. Now, I don't know if that's a problem, if it will affect the flight at all, if it doesn't take off from its normal kind of angle, the way it naturally sits. I don't think it would, but I'm not going to say either way because I really don't know. So yeah, but it does give it nice height, and that way if you're going to be taking off from grass or gravel, you don't have to worry about your gimbal getting in there and getting debris all over it. So let's see how it folds up with the landing gear installed. So we'll fold them down, and we will tuck that in. Now, you can see there, it is rubbing a little bit. Now I can plop it in, but there is some contact there from the landing gear. Now, over time that could add some blemishes to your drone, so keep that in mind. Same with this side here. Something's catching there. There we go. So yeah, there is a little bit of contact there of the plastic, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and we're going to take these off and we'll test out the PolarPro ones. But that is a little concerning, that rubbing there. You know, over time I can see some damage being done. Cosmetic damage, mind you, but, you know, personally I like to keep my equipment looking nice, so I don't know if I really like that or not. But they do go on and off very easy, so, you know, if you so wish, you could take them off. So, like I said, the PolarPro ones do come with instructions. So we'll just take a quick look at that. Looks pretty basic, but let's open them up here. And one really nice thing that PolarPro has done, and they've done it for both the front and the back here, you can see they have that little white circle. So you just have to line that white circle up to the white circle on the motor or on the propeller. So that way you know which side they go on. So that's a really nice little touch that they've done there. Push that on. And again, they stay on just with friction. And again, we'll line up the white circle to the white circle on the motor there. You want to line them up with that line there. So they call that the sweet spot. So just about like that, I think is good. And then we just attach the rubber strap. So again, we'll put the other one on, we'll line it up. And there we go. You can see that there, we got the front ones on, and we have the back ones on. So when they fold up, the back ones just fold in like that. And these front ones fold in. Now, they take a fair amount of force. Once they're locked in like that, to fold them up, they take a fair amount of force. So I would recommend holding it. Don't hold the drone up here and try doing that, because you're going to be putting a lot of torque on the motor and the arm there. Hold it at the leg there, or even at the base of the leg extension itself, and just fold them in. That way you're not putting too much pressure on them. The PolarPro ones do give it a much higher profile. I would say this one is over an inch. Looks to be about 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. So there's quite a bit of height difference over the CamKix ones. And it still has that kind of slope. So PolarPro has maintained the natural slope of the drone when the extension is out. Let's fold it up and we'll see how it closes. The PolarPro ones are like a soft rubber here. The side that's going to be touching the drone is a very soft, flexible rubber. So you're not going to do any... First of all, it closes nicer. It's thinner, right? So there's no having to really force it down. And where it is making contact, it's rubber. So you're not going to do any kind of scratching or add any blemishes to your drone there. So that's a big bonus for the PolarPro ones. I don't know if you can kind of see that on film or not, but I've already added a scratch to the drone from using the CamKix ones. You can just see where it's not a scratch, but you can see where it's put a mark on the plastic there. So that alone, I think, would be a no-go for me for the CamKix ones. And again, then we'll fold in the front. And there we go. And the nice thing about the PolarPro ones, too, is that when folded in, because of the way these fold in, it's about the same profile as the leg, so it doesn't add that much extra height. Now, which ones do I think are the better buy? Well, I'm going to definitely have to say the PolarPro ones. They're a little more money, $17 more than the CamKix ones, but to me they just perform better. You get more height, and they're more compact when folded up. So I think I would have to say that the PolarPro ones are my preference. Plus, they look nicer. CamKix has done a not too bad a job trying to match the look of the color, but it is off a little bit. And it's smooth compared to the texture that the Mavic 2 has. So yeah, that would have to be my opinion anyways. If you're looking for some retractable landing gear, I would say you're best off to spend a little extra money and go with the PolarPro brand, because I think you'd be a lot happier with it and you won't do any damage to your drone. Well folks, basically that's it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it useful if you're in the market for some retractable landing gear for your Mavic 2 Pro and you were wondering which ones to go with. Hopefully this kind of maybe helped you out a bit. I'll include the links down below to both sets, so if you want to go check them out further, you can. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.